Hello, welcome to part 2 of the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians Roll20 review. This time we're going to go over how to create a game with the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content, either in addition to your existing TSL game or as a standalone, just with the ALNL content. Last time we went over how to purchase all the content. Now we're going to go over how to actually create a game with it. So the first example I'm going to use is what I think is going to be the typical case scenario, but we'll go over some variations. So the first thing you do is say create a game, and you're going to select the Thirsty Sword Lesbians module from your list. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. And we'll name it My TSL Game. And you'll notice that it automatically selects the correct character sheet. You don't need to do anything there, and just say, I'm ready, create the game. Now, if you were just playing TSL, that would be all you need to do. You could jump into it. Actually, that's not true. I would also go into the token marker set and add the Thirsty Sword Lesbians token markers, so you get all of those. So this is all you would need to do if you were just creating a TSL game. However, if you want to add the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content, this is how you'll do it. You'll go to the game add-ons and choose add-on and look for Advanced Lovers and Lesbians add-on and click on Add to Game. And voila, there it is. If we go check on add-ons, let me try that again. Advanced Lovers and Lesbians, Add to Game. There it is, there it is. I may not have been patient enough the first time. So this will allow you to add the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content to a new TSL game, but you could do the same process if you had an existing game. So if you have one that you're already playing and you want to add the new content in, you'll literally just go to the existing game and add that content in. The other thing that I'll review here, since we're in the game setup, is adding on the compendium. If you go down, if you click on game settings, and then you go to compendium settings, and you choose Thirsty Sword Lesbians, and you will add the compendium. You can share it with your players if you'd like as well. Go and click Save Compendium Settings. This will add on both the TSL content and the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content. It'll put it in there. You'll have both of them. So click Save Changes at the bottom, and then go back. You'll be at the game and you're ready to launch it. Let's take a quick look. I'll review the actual insides of the game in the next part, but let's just make sure that we have all the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content there. And I'm going to go here and voila, I see ALNL Start, Toolbox, Tokens, Settings, Adventures. That's enough for me to know, but also I can go into the journal here and I can see there's the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content in the journal. Also, I can go into the compendium and expand that, and I can see all the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content in the compendium as well. And finally, if I go into the marketplace purchases, I should see we have lots in here, so it might take me a second to find it. TSL Advanced Lovers and Lesbians art as well. So that tells me all of those things have loaded. There we go. It tells me all of those things have loaded, and I have it. Now, that is what I would consider the typical scenario, but you might have a case either if you don't own the TSL base module, or you just don't want to use it, or you just want to create a new game with only the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content. You can do that as well. If you go to the marketplace item where you purchased the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians, either by redeeming it through Kickstarter with the Kickstarter code or by buying it directly off the marketplace, either one works. You can go there and say create game with add-on, and this will create a brand new game with just the add-on. And so you can name this My ALNL Game, say create game. And if you launch this game, this is a test. I haven't done this before, but I'm trusting in science that everything is going to be here as we expected. If we go to this game, voila, just as I'd hoped, all the Advanced Lovers and Lesbians content is there. So this is a standalone game where the ALNL add-on has just been added onto an empty otherwise game, and so it's still got all the content there. We still have all the iconics, we still have all of the art, we still have all the journal items from Advanced Lovers and Lesbians. So you can do that either way. And in the next video, in part 3, I will actually dive into the content of ALNL and review it all with you. So I'll see you then.